In this video, I'm going to talk about transferring Audible credits to another account. Can it be done? Audible is an excellent platform, it is, but as of 2024, they do not provide a built-in feature for transferring credits to another account. There are, however, a few things you can do that might work for what you're trying to do instead, so let's go over those. And I'm going to tell you about how to do these too. The first thing is gifting someone with an audiobook. Step 1, go to the gift center. Step 2, search for the title you want to give someone. Step 3, select give as a gift. Step 4, then you choose how you want to send it, whether it's an email or an actual printable card. Step 5, enter the information about the gift on the next page and then click continue. Step 6 is buy the book with a card using your credit. But once you've purchased your gift, you will get an email letting you know that your purchase was successful. If you chose a printable card, it will give you instructions on how to print and fold it as well. The second thing is sharing using Amazon Household. I'm not going to include a tutorial on this because 1, I've never set this up myself. My wife doesn't listen to Audible, so I don't have a reason to. 2, the first option in this video is probably the most practical, easy, and just used. For those wondering, however, what is Amazon Household? 3, Amazon Household lets you share Prime benefits and a family library with members of your household. If you own any audiobooks, you can share them with another adult and up to 4 children. The only thing is though, and they say this on their website, while Amazon Household does allow you to share your purchased Audible titles between 2 adult household profiles, you cannot share your Audible Premium Plus membership credits or titles included in the Plus catalog with the other member of your Amazon household. So it's worth noting that there are limitations to this. This one isn't exactly the most efficient way to transfer credits or just share books with someone, but if you have another adult in the household and up to 4 children, it might be an excellent idea for sharing your library with others. In the meantime, you can still gift someone an audiobook or just buy them credits using a gift membership. Potential questions as well as their answers for anyone who has them. Why doesn't Audible allow you to just transfer credits? I've been using Audible for almost 10 years and I don't know the answer to this. I use the app fanatically, but I didn't design it, nor did I write its policies. So I don't know why it's not a thing, but it's not a thing. Do you need to be a member to gift an Audible book? No, if you're not a member, you can gift an audiobook using one of your credits, or you could just save them for yourself and purchase the book with a credit card. What kind of credits can be used to purchase gifts? Credits from a book return, bonus or promotional credits through various offers that weren't purchased, or credits received as part of a gift membership. You cannot use these to purchase gifts. And you mentioned a gift membership. What the heck is a gift membership? I'll put it this way. If you're buying it for someone who is already an Audible member, it basically means you're just buying them a bunch of credits. My mom once bought me 6. This is not a way to simply transfer credits to an account like I said in my previous video on this topic. And the reason is that you don't already have these credits. You are simply actively buying them for someone. And lastly, why can't you use credits from a book return or credits received from a gift membership? Again, I did not design the app or write its policies, so I don't know why this is, but if I had to guess, it probably has to do with where the credits came from or the actual information attached to them. I imagine having a credit specifically from a book return, for example, may restrict some things you can do with it if it says to Audible that, this person may be at risk of getting another book and returning it again. For all we know, it may actually cost them money to create these credits, but that's a whole other video topic. And one that I may not even make ever because I don't even feel the need to explore it. I don't know if you can tell from the recommended videos, but I've made maybe 30 videos now about this remarkable audiobook platform. The most helpful one though, for a more general idea of what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app. I did a video going over all of that and I will drop that in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But most of my videos are book reviews and those are like 10-15 minutes long. And if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.